Okay, I'm back. Relative extreme values and a critical number. What does it mean? Relative extreme value. Relative extreme value and a critical number. Consider the following graph of a function f and the answer equation in activity 2.2. Sorry, for 4.2. As it given below. Let me try to look detail. The critical relative extreme value is and the critical number. Critical number is cosa asii fi ziddiin waan ziddu jiru kanaan critical number jechuun ka derivative goone function tokko derivative goone function san zero fidu lakkoofsa bakka x san galchine function san derivative goone booda zero fidu san maal jennaan critical number jennaan. That number is critical number when we plug in instead of or substitute x, that number is that function is created by that number 0 or equal to 0. That number we plug in that function is what we call that number, the critical number. The function we derived or derived that number equal to 0 when we got x's number, that x's number we got it, we call critical number. X's number lakkoofsa x arganne san critical number jenna. Fakkeenyaaf f of x hojii x square plus 1x hojii 1 barreessa waan sumaatii miti x inni rakkoon. Let us derive this number. Derivate and we derivated this number. This number will be f derivative of x. This is the sign of derivative equal to 2x plus what 1. It is the function we after we derive that function we got this function. Let me try write analysis one. The function after we derive we got it this number 2x plus 1. This is the function after we derive it we got it. Let back f of x yana 0 tikwe go this and critical number barbaada ajajinni x plus 1. Let minus 1 is minus 1 gone because you know this. We don't minus 1 like this. We can't write this one. This is wrong. We have to make it a little bit as good with the 100 billion minus 1 is yukutai. This is also positive. This is positive. Akana godhuu dandeenya. But don't write like this. Akkanatti barreessuu dandeenya. Minus 1. Can we write this number like this? You can write this. This minus is only for what? It's not for 1 jechuudha. Minus kun jiraate. This minus is not for the 1 0 jechuudha. When we make it add, we make it negative. See, it's negative is the what belongs to what? Belongs to 1 negative as a good in the negative to 1 is bigger number here. Okay, Afaan Oromoo minus 1 time equal to x, because 1 minus x is 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is divided by 2. Divided by 2, 2 by 2 is cancelled out. X equal to what? Minus 1 over 2 is our answer. This number is what? Critical number jennaan. Maaliif jennaan critical number? When we plug in this function will be what? 0. Let me plug it. 2 minus 1 over 2, because x is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 1. 2 by 2 is cancelled out. This is the only left minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0 is answer. Due to this number is critical number. Okay. Akkuma asitti kalaaf hin qaabame kanatti dhiifte jedhamu. This is peak, this is peak, this is valley, this is also valley. What does it mean? Valley jechuun sulula jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf kun amma gaara. Amma kun gaara jennu. Kun gaara. Let us take it as a mountain. Akka mountain gaara jechuudha. This is also what? Mountain. Gaara tullu maali hallayyaadha yookaan vaalii jedhamu. This is peak jechuun akkasuma peak jedhamu mataa gubbaatti jechuudha. Gaara tullu peak. This is also peak. This is also peak. This is also valley. Valley jechuun sulula jechuudha. Hallayyaa yookaan lafa gadi ta'e because it is below the mountain. Mountain gaara gadi tullu takkaa fi tullu takka gidduu jirtu lafa sanii maal jennaan? Lafa gidduu sanii maal jennaan? Sulula jennaan. Or valley jennaan. This is peak. It is valley. We call it valley. We call it also valley. We call it also valley. Okay. Let's jump on activity 4.2. Identify the numbers of at which the maximum or minimum value. The numbers which of the maximum and the minimum value occur on a given interval. Given interval kenname gidduu kamiin maximum midha kamiin minimum midha separated and advance according to the above this graph yana irratti hin dubde keenyama erati a closed interval a comma c2. This means a up to c2 there is maximum or minimum value is existed. This is minimum because c2 as in together is minus c2 is a b c2 you do there is value what between a and c is between a and c2 is there is value on what c1 value there is value the jump on b a between a and c4 a and c4 adiyachidu maal jira on c1 there is valley, on c2 there is peak, on c3 there is valley also. Isaan jira it is maximum jennaan valley is maximum peak jechuun maximum jechuun valley jechuun minimum jechuun because mean jechuun small max jechuun maximum guddaa large because peak is take it as mountain jira maka gaaratti fudhadha tulluu jechuun valley jechuun immoo sulula yookaan lafa hallayyaa jechuudha. Lafti isaaniis isaa keessatti gaaraa fi gaara jiru sanii fi gaara waan jidduutti argamu sanii lafti sanaan maal jennaan sululaa jennaan. Gaara lama jidduutti gaara isiinis gaarri jiru gidduu kanaa maali we call it valley sulula jechuudha. Sulula C2 maal C2 up to C4 C2 up to C4 there is only value there. Value is what is minimum value because it is below or minimum or smallest. On C3 there is what? There is minimum value. You got it? Okay, which I did together. Jump on D. D said was up to A1 up to A3. No, A up to B. There is load of minimum and also maximum. I think so. Because A is here, B is here up to here. C1 there is value or minimum value. On C2 there is peak. We call it what? Maximum value. There is value on C3. We call it minimum value. And there is peak also. There is peak also. On what? On C4. Because we asked what? We asked it between A up to B. Due to this peak, the zero is all this value. Maximum is whether it's maximum, whether it's minimum, according to this question. There is single. that is it. Observe from the above activity that the extrema of continuous functioning occur either at the end point of interval or at the point where the graph has peak or valley. Activity kana raawwanni hubattoo ilaaltee inni hubanne yoo extrema jechuun this is included is extrema maximum and minimum in as keessa ni jira jechuudha. Maximum and minimum when we call extrema so minimum and what maximum jechuudha. When we only say extrema, okay, don't forget, of a continuous function occur either at the end point of interval or at the point where the graph is the graph has a peak or valley. Point where the graph is higher or lower than the nearby point, than all nearby point. At more narrow do stay gonna village is maximum and minimum at the now. Anyway, plug a graph. Ravi Afaan Oromoo let me draw it. Draw graph again. Functioning nothing akkana because the function as in the mad way gava when get TV because opposite them gava in them as in opposite them to a single dual way demad way as in gava kana animals is maximum or minimum jetia do maximum and minimum on the graph is created like this akkana gava asina kat du'a ture lukate asina kat du'a ture jijjiirsa maal isaa kallattii isaa jijjiirsa asin du'a gad du'a asin kallattii isaa jijjiirsa is created what the minimum or maximum value da maximum value minimum kana or extrema we call it the same extrema in the extrema is included minimum and the maximum value. Don't forget which one according to this graph which is extrema using Kenya atima extrema extreme good kana qofa falatti gariif taate kan good this is dead wrong is what that mean dongara dua itu kasih kalati dan kasih ro dongara gudar aja karena itu pakainya tak itu lama shani ini tak itu lama dibuat who is dead wrong tak itu lama dibuat tak itu lama shani who is dead wrong karena itu dongara gudar kasih nanggo berarti alasannya yo hadis Lindungara, but this is lot larger than that error. Okay, take it as a funny or jack. Like a funny for the where we are is here. Peak value. Point where the graph lowers than nearby. For example, conclusion F in the above 4.2 figure 4.2 it has peak is a base C2 C2 comma F of C2 akkasuma C4 and F of C4 Are you weird with this expression? Don't worry, I will explain to you, man. Rakatin nasiifin isa maalichiisaati f of x f of x f of c2 jeemi f of c2 jechuun fakkeenyaaf amma akkam jechuudha. And we make it as we know before kana drovin yo kani supply number ga kani represent number kani jechuun fakkeenyaaf f of x equal to x square plus 2 and when the x value x equal to 2, also minus 1 is good, minus 2 is good, 0 is good. Let's plug in this number in this function. 2, this is square, 2 times 2 square is what? 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. This means when we draw a graph, 6 is, let there is 6 only when x is 2, isn't it? When x is 2, it is okay. Let's make it 0. When x is value 0, what is the value of function or y will be expected when x's value is 0. When we plug in that function, this is also 0. When we plug this 0 in this function, don't forget, because of the lack of the place I am draw to see you, to show you, you can understand from my mouse. Which they didn't get is in the video. Don't know if I as I talk, you understand it. I think so. Okay. When we plug 0 in this function, this function is 0 because 0 squared is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Let's make it when x is 0, 2 is here. Assume 2 is here. Functioning because of quadratic function, because it is positive function. So therefore, this is I cannot tell them. Jechuun inni asirratti qabaanu f of c jennu fakkeenyaaf amma asitti maali jechuudha. Bakka ammaa asii kana asirraa keeffamni kun when x is 0, f of 0 akkana jechuudha. When f is 0, x is 0. When we plug 1 or 2, when x is 2, f of 2 is sorry, pardon me, man. Okay, I think you understand me. Okay, this is it. So we see it when we talk value is big because this is big. Okay, 2 C2 is where? C2 is here. F of C2 is here because when C is or x-axis away, y equal to f of x equal to y. according to mathematics, y equal to f of x, isn't it? Okay, but then the 2 is when we plug 2f c2 comma f of c2 is here around here. It is what it is peak. When we plug 4, let me plug 4 c4 comma f of c4. There is also exist on the plug one or peak one or mountain or the top one. This is peak. As it said, no peaks at is c2 comma f of c2 and c4 f of c4. Okay, where is valley also? Valley no valley, there is valley because therefore c1 comma f of c1 is what is the valley. There is also another valley on which no valley is. Therefore c3 comma f of c3 is valley also. There is another we left. There is finish. Peaks in the valley are relative extrema. And don't forget, when we talk extrema is we talk both of them, which means maximum and minimum, relative minimum and relative maximum. And relative extrema means relative extrema means relative maximum and relative minimum. Don't forget. Okay, let's jump on for the definition of 4.2. What does it say? The function is said to have relative gavin. The maximum at a number c in open interval if f of c is greater than or equal to f of x. As I told you before, f of x is not only x is a variable, okay? Due to this, the number when we give 0 up to 5, the number between when f of 0 is assume f of 0 is less than f of what? Another in between this number. Due to this f of 0 or let's make it another, as we assume we had an for an f of 0 is greater f of 5 f of 0 is greater than our assume but as a regular we ask it about open, not close. Due to this f of x when numbering making 0 5 it doesn't include zeros in the 5. This is as I told you last time, okay? 0, 5 can rotate open interval, close interval. Someone is asking me this to repeat again a little bit. Chokaan ardeefu namni na gaafate ture yeroo asitti so dubbannoo irra geenye akkam jechuudha seetan open gaafa inni hoona open is the meaning of open is open banaa jechuun open is open gaafa jettu fakkeenyaaf open banaa yoo waan jiru tokko jechuudha close gaafa yoo waan cufaate. This is meaning of this vocabulary or this word is the meaning or when we translate it in Aramaic. In Aramaic, we get this meaning, which is open is it's close is okay. What does it mean? According to mathematics, when we give or ask it about A, comma, open E, comma, B. This function, this number doesn't include A's and B's because this is opinion. This is doesn't bounded in that nature. In dan given, let's make it number. 1, 3. Let's make it a number. When we assume, according to mathematics, lakkoofsa takkaa fi lama jidduu jiru umrii teenya guutuu lakkoofne fixuu hin dandeenyu. According to mathematical rule or precondition, because there is a lot of number fakkeenyaaf 1.001 jechuu danda'a 1.009 jira yoo fedhe 8 jira yoo fedhe 9 jiraachuu danda'a yoo fedhe takkaa jiraachuu danda'a. There is a lot of number. We can't limit it to count or handle them in our hands. Due to this, that number is infinitely go away from 1, but not reach 3. I think go away because there is a lot of number, as I told you this before. According to number, when we draw a graph, there is easy to understand from I draw the graph, you can understand easily. Okay, let me draw the graph. This is function. Functioning is function. Okay, functioning this is open. This is also continuous. This is also open. Continuous jechuudha. Kana jechuun maal jechuudha? Open is what? Open is banaa jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf asiin akka karaa biraadha. Take it at a road. Asirra jira, asirra yaa'uu barbaanne akkasuma konkolaataan deemuu barbaanne fakkeenyaaf karatti barbaaye asiin gaafa deemnu there is what? Breaker or there is hole. Boollaa jira jechuudha. Kaawuu karaan badii jechuudha fakkeenyaaf. Galaanaas ta'e waan fadhee badii jira karaan gaafa badii. Yes. We can't go from here up to there. How we can go? I think we won't go in the thing because there is not fixed one. Good on the nature. Far the banana there. Open banana. Because Harana digite jirara. Harana sit the Murameja. Asina ka deemee jechuudha karaa kana irra deebi'uu danda'a. odoo asiin deebi'ee karaa kanarra deemuu danda'a. Asiin ganda keessaan gad deemee karaa fadhii deemuu danda'a.